Okay, next one up, Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE. This is in for one of our full Monty valets. We've got some polishing to do on that exhaust. Get a little XCP on it. I'm going to do a single stage polish on all this bodywork, showing a few little marks, good old black, as well as this windscreen. We'll get that polished up, get these wheels all cleaned up, get these discs done, get some XCP on it, get it looking like it should, ready for the summer ahead. We'll get that chain all serviced, all the usual bits and pieces included in one of our legendary full Montys. She's not terrible shape, just needs that little trot TLC. Let's get cracking. All right, cracking on with this Triumph. Everything's been XCP'd, all the exhausts have been mirror polished up. I scrubbed each and every one of those back spokes. They're a bit corroded, those. Chain's all been serviced. Managed to get that burnt on plastic off of that exhaust. Just gonna do a bit of paint correcting on this tank. Side covers have got a few marks, and then she'll be done. Oh yeah, she's got a few marks here and there. Let's see if we can get those off. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE has been fully trotted and looking sweet. Look at that exhaust, has come up like new. All the wheels have had XCP on them. Polished up all the little alley bits. Chain's all been serviced. XCP on all the banjo bolts. Just did a single stage polish on that tank. Put a bit of paint on that cover over there where its boots have been on. All ready to go. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.